Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood, access stocks and crypto account step by step clearly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Update the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play, or use the latest version of your web browser. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device, or go to Robinhood.com on your computer. Check that the website address is correct to avoid fake login pages. Tap or click the login button on the home screen. Enter the email address or username that you used when you created your Robinhood account. Type your password carefully and double-check for typos. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Complete any CAPTCHA or verification prompt if it appears. If two-factor authentication is enabled, wait for the verification code. Open your Authenticator app or check your SMS messages for the code. Enter the code exactly as shown and submit it immediately before it expires. If you do not receive a code, choose the resend option and confirm your phone number has service. On a trusted personal device, you can enable Remember This device if you want fewer prompts later. Avoid using Remember This device on shared or public computers. If you are on a public network, consider switching to mobile data or a trusted Wi-Fi connection. After logging in, you may be asked to verify your identity or confirm your email for security. Follow the on-screen instructions to approve the sign-in request if Robinhood flags the login. Once inside, confirm you see your account dashboard with your portfolio value. Tap the Portfolio tab to view your stocks holdings and daily performance. Tap the Crypto section to see your crypto positions and market prices. To manage account security, open Settings and review Login and Security options. Turn on two-factor authentication if it is not enabled to protect your account. If you are logging in from a new phone, make sure notifications are allowed for approval prompts. If the app keeps logging you out, clear cache, restart the device, and try again. If you see an account locked message, follow the prompts and contact Robinhood support if needed. Never share your password or verification codes with anyone, even if they claim to be support. When finished, log out from settings, especially on devices that are not yours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.